Hello friends, and not yet friends. The other day I was low on groceries and feeling lazy, but hunger could not be denied. Enter easy vegan drop biscuits and gravy. Drop biscuits are way easier to make than regular biscuits. No need to get your hands dirty and get your countertop all covered in flour. Of course, if you want to go for the proper layery, flaky but tender biscuits route, you do you. I've got a great recipe linked in the description. But maybe you don't want to get messy, and maybe you want them biscuits 5 minutes ago. In that case, start preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and mix together flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder until these dry ingredients are well combined. Then add plain almond milk or the plant milk of your choice and a couple tablespoons of oil. Mix gently. Using a folding motion will help combine the wet and dry without overmixing, and you don't want to overmix or the biscuits will turn out heavy instead of tender and fluffy on the inside. You should have a wet batter, but it should not be too liquidy. Add a smidge more flour if yours looks more liquidy than mine. Then scoop out a 1/4 cup and pull up onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Use a rubber spatula to get all the batter out. You might be able to use a silicone baking mat if it can handle 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but mine only goes up to 425, so I didn't even try. Pop those in your preheated oven for 15 minutes or until the tops are lightly golden. While those are baking, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan for our white gravy. When it's hot, add 4 tablespoons of flour, half at first. Then the other half. We'll cook for a few minutes until this turns golden brown. Try not to let it burn before adding a cup of plain almond milk, or the plant milk of your choice, just a little at a time. Whisk constantly so your gravy develops smoothly. But if you get lumps, no problem. An immersion blender is a handy thing. Or you can push lumpy gravy through a wire sieve to smooth it out. After you've got a cup of almond milk in, cook the gravy until it gets really thick and pudding-like. Should take only a couple minutes, not even. Then continue to add more plant milk or water a little at a time until you get to the consistency you want. I added just about a 1/3 cup. Add black pepper and salt, and just about anything else you'd like, such as garlic powder, onion powder, herbs, or nutritional yeast for that cheesy kind of flavor. I'm just going for the basic salt and pepper, which is really so good, even though it's super simple. Remember to taste and adjust for that salt and other seasonings. And there you have it, white gravy in minutes, and your biscuits should just be about ready. Maybe add some vegan sausage and or salad for a more complete meal, or dig right in. These biscuits are soft and tender on the inside, with crunchier bits on the outside. So tasty, and with this silky white gravy, lovely and delicious. It's super quick and a simple thing to whip up the next time you're in a lazy mood, maybe low on groceries, but your hunger cannot be denied. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you have any requests, please leave them in the comment section below with the hashtag recipe requests, and I just might make it. As always, you can also add your questions and I'll do my best to answer. Bye for now.